Tesla China starts recruiting for Megapack factory in Shanghai. Tesla China's recruitment account on Weibo invited people to apply for the new Megapack factory in Shanghai. The new Tesla facility in China was announced earlier this month. Tesla China doesn't seem to be wasting time getting the Megapack factory up and running. Tesla China is investing more energy to attract more partners to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Through diversified products and service, the recruitment account wrote in a post roughly translated. Tesla's China deals concerns chair of U.S. Congressional Committee. Tesla China told Weibo followers to pay close attention to the company's official recruitment. WeChat account for upcoming job posts at the Megapack factory. The EV automaker encouraged Weibo followers to submit their resumes for Megapack factory jobs. Below are some job positions Tesla is looking to fill at the Megapack factory in Shanghai. R&D Center. Energy Storage Mechanical Design Engineer, Battery Direction. Energy Storage Mechanical Design Engineer, Thermal Management. Reliability Test Engineer, Energy Storage. Senior Electrical Engineer, Energy Products. Energy Storage Mechanical Design Engineer, Sheet Metal Direction. Technical Project Manager, Energy Storage Engineering. Embedded Software Engineer, Energy Products. Manufacturing at the Megapack factory, SMT Process Engineer Dispensing. SMT Process Engineer Reflow Soldering. SMT Equipment Engineer Wave Soldering. SMT Equipment Engineer Test. TLA Process Engineer Mechanical Assembly Welding Process Engineer. SMT Process Engineer Wave Soldering. SMT Process Engineer Test. SMT Equipment Engineer Dispensing, Analysis. Technical Assistant Manager Automotive Electronics. TLA Equipment Engineer PLC Robot. Welding Equipment Engineer. There are more than 45 jobs listed under manufacturing for Tesla China's Megapack factory. A few are listed above. Tesla also has a few positions open under the supply chain, industrial internet R&D, and environmental health safety and security departments. Along with its recruitment announcement, Tesla released a long infographic about the Megapack and the new Shanghai factory. The infographic tied the Tesla Megapack back to Master Plan Part 3 and the company's ultimate goal to reach a sustainable energy economy. Most of Tesla's recent publications and actions have been tied to Master Plan Part 3, revealing the company's direction in the near future. Tesla aims to produce 10,000 Megapacks per year at its new Shanghai facility. Construction on the Megapack factory in China is expected to start in the third quarter of this year. The facility is slated to start production by Q2 2024. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at Teslarati.